Hi guys, it's Nimo once again with a very interesting video, and today I'm just having a very quick cooking. We're just going to cook a sunny side up egg. Did you know there's something like that? Yeah, I'm going to show you how I cook sunny side up egg. It's just a simple thing. Very fast, we take our pan, then I'm going to use my spray non-stick spray. Yeah. Then I'm just going to cook one egg. Yeah, I think this is one way of cooking eggs. We have different types of egg. We have scrambled. We can make omelette. So yeah, today we are cooking sunny side up egg. So you're going to take your egg before the pan is hot. Then we break the egg and put it inside like that. So you're going to let it cook, because sunny side up egg, you don't turn it. You just cook one side, and then you leave it like that. You eat the yolk. The yolk, when it's kind of, you cook, but the yolk is still raw. Is it raw? Raw. Yeah, the yolk is still raw. So yeah, so we're going to cook it like that. Then that's it. Today we don't have much to cook. Yes, I love you. Sunny side up. This is how it look like when it's in the kitchen. Yeah, just like that. Very easy. But as I told you, most of my recipes are based on Filipino culture, because my people are Filipinos. So they love it. They don't love it. Some love it scrambled. You go both sides, but this one you just cook one side. So we're just taking I think 1 minute, around 1 minute, just 1 minute, and our egg is done. So that's it, just like that, and you have your sunny side up egg. Sunny side up egg. Yeah, that's our sunny side up egg. You see, the yolk is still raw. The yolk is still raw, about. Yeah, the yolk is still raw. So that's it, and we are done with our cooking. So our cooking was just something very fast. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you know anytime I upload new video. So this one, the one who's going to eat, she's going to eat it just like that. She just like it just like that. It's Filipino culture, so we have to respect it. So guys, thank you so much. Let's meet in the next video, and make sure you have watched my previous video, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure you have subscribed. Bye bye.